Ooh, she's looking clean. Real quick, guys, about the giveaway, we already decided on the rear diffuser. So I put a poll up. You guys pretty much commented the rear diffuser, clicked on the rear diffuser, so we're gonna do a rear diffuser. What I'm gonna do is comment down below, do you guys want it painted black or the way it comes, and you can paint it however you want. I was gonna do a gloss black paint and then ship it out to the winner just like that. And also we're gonna be doing it on YouTube. I was thinking either Instagram or YouTube, but I think we're gonna be doing on YouTube, and I'll be sending it out to one of you lucky winners. So guys, make sure you subscribe and be on the lookout for the video where I will be choosing the winner. All right, we are so close. We are not gonna miss this. We're like driving. We're not gonna miss it. We're not gonna miss it. We're not gonna miss it. We're doing it. We're doing it. We're about to get it, guys. We're about to get it at 200,000 miles. Woo! What? This is not a big deal, but this is awesome. 200,000 miles, guys. We finally did it on original transmission, motor, everything except for the axles, and we're modded, so no wheels, no anything, but original motors. We did it. 200,000 miles. That's what's up. Yeah, that's what I wanted to share with you guys. 200,000 miles on the car with a check engine light, with my TPMS sensor light on, and my cruise control light, which I can take off now. Is that a GTI? It's a GTI, guys. I eat GTIs for breakfast. I'm just kidding. All right, guys, welcome back. It is a beautiful day. But first of all, welcome to 2022. Hope you guys all had a great Christmas, great New Year, spent time with family and everything. I've been gone for a little bit, but we're back to the videos, and I got something to show you. Guess what? That's right, we got a freaking GoPro. So we got this GoPro. My sister gave it to me for Christmas, and it's awesome. I always wanted a GoPro, but didn't actually do it. So as you guys know, I record on my phone, but now we got a GoPro, so we're gonna strap this on our head and, like, you know, do some runs and stuff like that. All right, guys, we are now on the GoPro. Let me know, comment down below how the quality is. So we're gonna start right now. We're gonna move the cars. We're gonna bring the Lancer because we're gonna put the hub centric rings on first, and then we're gonna wash both cars, and we might do a couple other things. Oh, but I got something to show you. I did a race a little bit ago, and I'm gonna put this clip in right now. No chance. It's like no chance at all. All right, we're gonna see if he wants to ride it. That's funny. Sorry guys, camera's kind of shaky, but one is my adrenaline, and two, I'm kind of cold. Hilarious. Oh shit. right, just like that, we're gonna start with this one. And I don't think I gotta show you guys, you know, the whole process, but up here I'll put the little link to the video so you guys can see the last video that I did with that car. Damn, she looking good. She looking clean. I really like this paint color. It's like, it pops so much in the sun and it has like flakes in it. Let me see if you guys can get it. It has like flakes or anything, but car is clean. We did a good job. Now, guys, comment down below. What do you guys think? Should we do a wide body turbo build on the Lancer? Might be an alternative to swapping this one. We might do a manual swap on this one, wide body and a turbo. Maybe pushing like 400 wheel. I don't know. Comment down below. I really like the car. I like how it looks and everything. So we're already modding it. Why not just go all out, full send? So comment down below what you guys think of doing that. So we finished washing the car. We cleaned the wheels, the tire, everything. The only problem that we were having is, like, this is the second time it happens. The coilover on this side, like the end link, it bent. I don't know, it's like the locking color won't lock, so like after you drive it for a while, it'll turn and twist, and then it bent the freaking end link. So I gotta get a new end link for that. But like I was saying, what you guys think of doing a build on the Lancer, like a wide body turbo build? We might even be changing this to a manual. It's cheaper in the Maxima to make this one a manual, so in parts it's probably like what, $2,000, and then, you know, probably someone can do it, I don't know. And then they're like manual Lancers, so you can, it's easier than a Maxima probably. So what you guys think of that? Comment down below what you guys think of that. I don't know. I mean it's probably like a good idea, but I don't know. Anyways, I put in the hub ring, the hub centric ring, so I'm gonna test the car out right now and make sure everything's good. But how you guys liking the GoPro so far? Like, you know, you guys remember I used to use my iPhone 11 and it was pretty good. I recorded 4K, so the quality was good. People didn't even know it was an iPhone. So come on, people, we have to go before it changes. But yeah, I think it's really good. Let's just see the feedback. You guys just let me know if you guys like it, how it is. I know when we go racing, we'll be pretty much using the GoPro. We'll be putting it like, I don't know, like on the top of the car, like something here or whatever. So damn, look at that traffic, man. That's why I gotta look forward to hitting that traffic when I come back. But yeah, guys, well, like I said before, happy 2022. This year, I'm gonna say it off the bat, it won't be so easy. I'm gonna try to make it my best year so far. Nothing's gonna be holding me back. Just get out, try something new, guys. Go for it. You know, it's not a better time than now, to be honest. So whatever you want, just go for it. But 2022 is gonna bring big things for us, for me, for the channel, for everyone. So thing that I have planned, for example, for this car, for the Lancer, we want to do suspension, another type of suspension. We are leaning more towards bags instead of coilovers, just so my girlfriend can have the ability to ride low, and when she has to, she can just air up and do whatever she got to do, go over what she got to go over. But we got air suspension in mind for this car. So we got that, the air suspension. Then we have the headlights. We want to upgrade that one. We want to upgrade the tail lights. We want to do something to the front bumper as well. You know, get some side splitters, rear diffuser. We're gonna do all that. We gotta do an exhaust, but stay tuned for the exhaust. It's gonna be a custom exhaust. As for the Maxima, cosmetically the car is almost done. I say I gotta do a couple of new things, like a front bumper. I need one of those because mine is holding on for dear life with like 2 clips or something like that. So we gotta do that. We gotta pretty much do like the interior, so stay tuned for that, guys. I was also thinking of building another car on the channel apart from the Maxima and the Lancer. So guys, comment down below what you guys think a good car for the channel would be. I don't know, maybe like a, I mean, no, because RSX front wheel drive, I can just either do this one or do the Maxima front wheel drive. I was thinking something like more all wheel drive or rear wheel drive. Probably not an Evo because I have the Lancer and I can make this all wheel drive. And maybe like RX-8. It's a rotary, but it's something different, you know, get some I don't know, something like that. Get a. Now we're home, park the Lancer. Now we're gonna give Maxine a wash. She's like hella dirty. We took a trip, 500-mile trip Oh guys, subscribe, follow me at RealJMaxine. If you want to see content that I do not post on YouTube, follow me on Instagram, RealJMaxine_, and let's get it, guys. But yeah, like I was saying, so I took a trip all the way down to Naples. All right, let's see, where do we start? Let's just do the sides. So I took a trip all the way down to Naples and 500, well, Deltona, then from Deltona to Naples and back. So 500-mile trip. Car did it perfectly. You guys know that I did change my transmission fluid, so I was kind of scared. I didn't want that to blow up. So, but car did good. Everything was good. But yeah, the car did good. It went, came back all in one piece, still running nice. For all of you that ask me if you should change your transmission fluid just because you have a lot of miles, I would say go ahead and do it. You have a lot of miles, but better safe than sorry. Just make sure you know how to do it. I got a video where it kind of shows you how to do it. So see, like I'm trying to take all the bugs off from the road trip so when I get dark. So I'm trying to rush this because the car is like hella dirty and I want it to be clean because I don't like to see, and I want it to be clean because I don't like to see my car dirty. So we're trying to clean this. Transmission was awesome. It was like a cruise control at 75, 80 miles an hour. Happy with it. Didn't blow up, didn't overheat that I know of. So it did really good. And now she deserves a wash because she did so good. Like I was going, like we were driving and everything, and people were just staring at me like, damn, that car is so low. And it's like taking a road trip on, like, I went through I-4 and everything. As you guys know, I-4 sucks. So yeah, coilovers did great and everything. Guys, I love it. Trying to take all the soap off. Guys, give me a minute. Let me finish this real quick before we run out of daylight, and I'll catch you right now. Hold up. We are done. The car is dried and everything. It's like nighttime. Well, over there it's kind of daytime, but it's like nighttime here. So that's it. The car is clean. Both cars are clean, and that's it, guys. So stay tuned. I got something to tell you guys. Next video, I got something to show you. But for now, God bless you all. And remember, like, comment, subscribe, and I'll catch you later. Peace.